Today I'm going to show you some really cool tricks you can do with a pencil. Perfect if you're bored at school. For the first one, we're going to be using a short pencil stub and some of this blue tack poster adhesive. You might be able to peel some off the posters on the wall if you haven't got any. I'm just using this new stuff from the packet. You can mould it and stretch it. And to make it a bit more pliable, I warmed it up in my hands. Then roll it out into a ball. Squash it down into a flat disc. And poke your pencil through the middle to make your own DIY spinning top. For it to work well, you need to try and get the blue tack disc nicely balanced and fit the pencil nice and central. It works really well and it's dead simple to make. You can use different coloured pencils. And try doing tricks like this, where you spin it on a piece of paper, then slide the paper from under it, and try to get it back underneath again. It is a bit tricky, but sometimes it does work. If you've been having your lunch and you've got an empty sandwich bag left over, you can fill it up with water. I'd suggest doing this outside. Then impress your friends by taking a pencil and poking it straight into the bag and out to the other side. You can keep adding more pencils and the bag should seal onto them so you don't get any leaks. Pretty cool, huh? It's a really fun and satisfying experiment which looks great. When you're done, you can pull the pencils out of the bag and watch as the water pours out of each hole. This pencil spinning trick is great when you're sat at your desk with nothing to do and you're looking to amuse yourself. You can do it with a pen too. Just one small flick can spin it around 180 degrees. You do it by applying pressure and flicking down here with the corner of your thumbnail. It kind of bounces off your index finger and spins all the way around, ready for you to catch. It's pretty tricky and it does take practice, but it's quite a cool and simplistic trick to keep yourself occupied. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.